Zero compromise mechanical switch for speed accuracy. Razer Orange switch technology provides tactile feedback with a quieter click, requiring 45 G of actuation force, ideal for most gaming and typing experiences. Included O-Ring Sound Dampeners, further reduces key noise, travel distance, and typing fatigue. Individually backlit keys, white LED lighting with full brightness control beyond the customizability of zone-lit keyboards. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Tournament-ready design. A Tenkeyless design with a detachable USB cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. Durable construction, supports up to 80 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Razer quality hasn't let me down. Quality construction stands out on first unboxing this keyboard, and I have loved the handy size. Obviously built for quality with solid materials, tight feel, smooth response, quick functions like Razer products should be and always have been for me. Great board for mobility, size convenience but not lacking bells and whistles like programmable functions. No buyer's remorse here.